we're doing a room tour of our room at Dockside. This is room 11044 at 10th floor. First to note, you have to put your room card in there in order to activate the lights. When you walk into this room, directly to the left, you have a kitchenette with seating for about 5. You have a refrigerator here, microwave, little mini sink. My hand is for reference. A little teeny tiny coffee maker. And some coffee. And some storage space. And then this is the main room. This is a 2-room suite. So this is the main room here. And there are some storage drawers. You get 3 of them. Some little hooks to hang bags and, I don't know, maybe your lanyards. You have a table in the middle. I don't think this opens if I remember from the other one. No, it does not. And some outlets. We got a pool view room, so you can see the pool. There are 2 pools. Looks pretty big. And you can see off in the distance, it's Volcano Bay. You can see that there. And then, well, we have our standard bathroom here. Comes with some shampoo and conditioner. And then double sinks with towels and storage space. Hair dryer. And then you have the second room over here. Which also has a TV. And you have an ironing board. Gonna have to find out where the safe is. Maybe it's behind the door. Yep. A safe. Kind of small, but big enough for what you really need. You also have hooks again in here. Outlet there. And again, a view of the pool. And it's about 12:30 p.m. right now, so that kind of gives you an idea. On a holiday weekend, kind of gives you ideas. Pool still does not seem very crowded at all. And that's a little mini tour of the room. Thanks for watching. And if you have any questions, go ahead and drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to go out and find your magic. Bye-bye.